GMC. It's the best bright red GMC you're going to see in a long time. So I've got two innocent bystanders here, and I told them when I said to you, trust me,
yeah,
that's when you wanted to run away.
You want to run.
Lions Club, this fellow serves.
He serves.
We serve.
You serve too. Well, I try to do my best.
For 50 years I've served. Okay.
Anybody that knows me and knows what this roll of electric tape is going to do to this red Suburban.
All right.
Hold the camera.
I'll hold the camera.
And I'm going to fix your door. Well, first we'll show everybody that knows my videos knows what's going to happen next. The door is going to just ricochet.
Right.
And you have to slam it. It's annoying as heck. You can't adjust it. You only fix it. I'm the guy that's going to fix it right here, right now. It's so simple.
Holy man.
How much did I tell you it would cost to fix it?
Uh-huh.
How much?
This is for
nothing.
service.
No, it's 10 cents.
Oh.
I can do all four for $1. We all need comedy in life. Just that you don't know me. We met here 10 minutes ago.
Yeah.
But
it's amazing.
But you'll see. You'll see. You'll see. You'll go home and you'll type in Corvair Wild on YouTube, and you bring your children or grandchildren, and they'll say, "Oh, I know him. I was at a rest stop in Florida, and the guy was putting oil in his Suburban. I said, do you mind if I make a video?" And the kid in the back seat says to his mother, "I know him. He's on YouTube." At a rest stop, they were driving a red Suburban, but a newer one, and they were dumping oil in it. And the kid said, "Yeah, I know him. He's Corvair Wild on YouTube." So I go around with a roll of electric tape.
So how many times you go around?
Jeez,
you went around about 10 times.
Oh.
But you have to do it smoothly.
Yeah.
Whoops. It needs a little bit of oil.
Yeah, it does.
Wow, look at that.
Actually, the pins for a low mileage vehicle, 69,000 miles. The pins are a little loose. Not much. This needs a little bit more TLC. See, the door's not landing. It's not landing properly.
Yeah.
Hold the camera again. Don't let it drop. It's easy to just
I know.
It needs a minor adjustment
It
here,
needs
which
tweaking.
is not as easy as this.
This needs tweaking.
It needs tweaking, but
Yeah.
Oh.
Hey.
when's the last time it did that?
God.
That's fantastic.
I think these are not bad, really.
How's it got? Oh, it's got power windows, locks, tilt cruise. It's a 3/4 ton, 2-wheel drive with a turbo 400, air conditioning, wood grain dash. Got the top steering wheel.
This one works.
Well, we'll see if the bushing is there. The bushing is half.
It works pretty good.
There's the bushing.
Yep, that works. Oh, crap, it broke.
There's the bushing.
So that's
what it
you're
is. It's a
replacing.
bushing.
That bushing lasted 5 or 10 years.
Yeah.
Approximately.
Well,
So
it did. It's
hold the camera. Let me get back to work. But you got to remember to hold it up, not let it droop. Because
you want me to get the full thing?
No, no, no. Do it sideways like that, because otherwise the camera corrects it and it screws it up. Ask me how I found out. So we'll just do this one too. Just like the guy in Israel with the C20 pickup, and then the guy with the Cadillac says, "Yo, me next."
What were you doing in Israel?
It was my girlfriend's, now everybody on YouTube's going to know, my now former girlfriend's daughter's wedding.
Oh.
She was being married in Rishon LeZion. And the Israelis love to eat and celebrate.
Tell me.
And boy,
I'm Jewish too. I know it's.
do they know how to celebrate.
Shall I?
Let her rip.
See, I even gave him some extra mirrors.
Let's do the other side now, and look how nice this Suburban is. They usually rust under here.
Oh, yeah.
This one has nothing.
There is here.
That's just a trim piece, but you've touched it up.
Yep.
It's a lot better. Fuel injection, it's an 88, so it's got a 454, 7.4 liter. I can just tell this door's not closed because here we go with another one. So, give you the camera, you got your job. Everybody has their job. This is actually some tape that Project Farm tested. It is Harbor Freight tape, and he gave it a very good rating for the price. Whoop, oh, there goes the camera. I just did that a couple days ago. My mistake.
Amazing.
Isn't that unbelievable?
That darn bushing is what does it.
And you can't buy the bushing because you can't
buy the bushing.
You can't
put it on because that washer is swaged on. So this is the only way to fix it. Now this door is sagging. It wasn't adjusted properly from the factory. You see that abrasion there?
You can see that abrasion. Yeah.
Now, I could fix it, but that's not a 5-minute job.
Yeah.
No.
No, we'll get that done.
Well, you'll need an expert. And
Yeah.
taking it to GM is only going to get you a big bill.
Oops, a real GM.
It's not going to get you an expert. It's just going to get you a bill.
Oh, wow.
A spot where these things rust,
Yeah, we ain't taking out
back
the
east,
stuff.
Yeah.
under there.
Taking out the stuff for the
No rust.
damage.
Just a little bit of corrosion here. Just a touch.
You haven't taken out
Look
the
at that.
stuff for the damage yet.
I haven't taken out anything. I've been so swamped.
One more. I'm going to pause this for a second and relieve you of the... All right, we got all four doors working as best we can on this beautiful fire engine red Suburban. I wish I had a bit more time and tools. You use the emergency brake just like I do.
Oh,
Always. Nobody does that.
No, I don't either.
You keep it limber that way. I wish that door closed better. I wish I had the time and you had the time for me to make that door close perfectly. 7.4, 454, big block.
Oh, careful, Ray.
Gee, that's a step.
Yeah, it's not only a step, it's a high step.
Yeah.
So, what do I see here? That's just, with 70,000 miles, this is probably like new inside. Yep. Well maintained.
It is.
Oh.
Very well maintained.
And there's nothing you can do to improve the gas mileage. Nothing. It's just terrible gas mileage.
Yeah. Well, it's not that bad, really.
Well, it's a big truck with a big motor.
Yeah. That's
Dave,
What, Dave?
I would change this idler. That is the original idler.
They're all. This is a brand new
Radiator?
radiator. 1,200 bucks.
Really? Wow.
It's all brass.
They're all plastic now,
Yep.
for better or
This
for
is
worse.
brass.
I wonder, I might change that idler. It's a $20
I'll-
part.
Yeah.
Gotta take it in and have them check it.
Yeah,
I'm
it
gonna
looks
take
like
it
the
in.
original one because I can
Yeah.
see the wear in it, and the antifreeze is a touch on the low side.
Yeah.
Touch, just
I don't
not
know
a big
that you're
deal.
gonna need antifreeze around here.
Well, just the cool.
But it doesn't hurt. It keeps the system clean.
Exactly. Well, we've had an enjoyable time meeting our lions.
Andrew, thank you.
Corvair Wild on YouTube. You gonna look me up?
I am.
Betcha I will. Yeah.
You'll see, it'll be on YouTube momentarily.
Betcha I will.
What a beautiful Suburban. 2-wheel drive, 3/4 ton, all greased up. Make sure you have them grease it when you bring it to the dealer.
I will.
Have them grease the front end joints. I also noticed that it has the big, these guys gotta go no rust here. That's a famous rusting spot right there. Nothing. Oh, what a beauty. It's being donated to the Lions Club to pull a trailer. Big differential with a detachable pinion. Rear catalytic converter.
Yeah, next week we have a meeting.
Not rusted at all.
Andrew.
What a
nice
beauty.
talking with you.
But thank you for serving.
Thank you.
454, 69,000 miles, and that door closes like a gem. One roll of electric tape. You just never know who you're going to meet at the Arizona Department of Motor Vehicle. The offices are now closed. What a beautiful Suburban. There's one on the Burlington, Vermont Craigslist from Killington, Vermont. An 85 blue two-tone, 3/4 ton, 2-wheel drive with 8,000 miles. This one's got 69. I guess low mileage is relative, and a tailgate, my favorite. Wow. What luck coming across that Suburban. What a beauty. Transferred to the Lions. And there's mine, my Scotch-brightted Suburban. That was amazing. Spider. Turbocharged. Alrighty, we got things to do. Pick apart some tires. Crank that baby up.